of the Federal Republic.
Do you think the president should also contest in 2015?
The president, it's a personal decision. You see, salvation is personal.
Since you're close to him, you can.
So if you want me to ask him, I can ask him, and then next time you meet me, you ask. But I'll be very glad to ask him. You want me to find out? If
you were to suggest to him or to advise, what would you say?
That is the aspect of it. You can never advise somebody to marry a wife. The person, it's a personal decision. And then, you know, I said salvation is personal. If you want it for you to, you see, let me tell you something. There are a lot of things.
Still advise
there are a lot of things about politics that people don't tend to understand. First of all, we believe as Christians that you cannot worship God except through sacrifice. You have to sacrifice in order to worship God. And in the same way, if you want to be a leader, a politician, to rule over people, to run the affairs of people, you have to sacrifice even your personal freedom. You have to sacrifice your image. Because no matter how wealthy you were before you became a governor, as soon as you're a governor, you're a thief, you're a looter. It doesn't matter whether you're like the governor of Akwa Ibom said, that has ensured 80% capital in his budgeting every year and 20% recurring for 6 years, consistently, believing that you cannot put something on nothing and expect it to stand. It doesn't matter whether you have achieved all the infrastructure I'm mentioning to you. Build the first e-library in West Africa. Build the first underground drainage system in the whole of Africa. Brought in an international airport with what they call CLOS system, cordless LAN and air wireless system, the first that is installed in Africa. We have 18 of them to pursue rodents from the airport, one of the safest air runways in Nigeria. And in spite of all those things you have done, people will still criticize you. So you will sacrifice your image because people will come down and talk all sort of things. And Nigerians forget that some of us did not just emerge today. You have been a legal practitioner for over 20 years. And you even to contest election, you buy a form. And the form is not one naira. The form is millions of naira. People will not think that you can afford 1 naira. Everything you own from the day you become a governor or a president is that you looted. That's the mentality of Nigerians. Because Nigerians never believed that government could work. And therefore, to contest election, you have to decide whether you want to sacrifice your image and sacrifice your time. So it's so personal that it is something that the individual must answer. And I assure you that when I leave this program, I will phone the president that Channels Television wants to know whether he would like to contest again. And whatever he tells me, I'll relate to you.
And he should also tell us why he thinks he's so criticized by a lot of people these days.
Why shouldn't you criticize? It is the mango tree that bears the greatest number of fruits.
But this is
that gets the highest
compared
amount
to the previous president.
No, it's fantastic. Why was I criticized? Even you, before you came here, did you know that there was uncommon transmotion going on here? If you go outside Nigeria, Nigerians will not know that there's a lot happening in the power sector.
Right,
no Nigerians will know that the president is putting in place a lot of policies that will ensure transformation of the electricity sector in the country.
All right,
will not know that.
They
don't know that because all they will hear will be Boko Haram, the insecurity, and criticism. Why not? Let me tell you, I said Pastor Imam Kwai encouraged me in 2010 in a function. When he called me, I said, Your Excellency, I want to tell you, I've been in this state for over 35 years. I'm a son of the soil. No government has ever achieved what you have achieved. Don't be fighting with the opposition and the criticism. It is the mango tree that bears the sweetest fruit that gets the greatest amount of stones.